Retiring at 65 used to be simple. You go to school, you leave school, you start working, you work for 30 or 40 years and you retire comfortably. Right? No, unfortunately wrong. That used to be the case, but no longer. I run a small business from home, but the income is very unpredictable. And during COVID, my business came to a standstill as I had no customers and no income. I had to use my hard-earned savings to pull me through that time. I also need to look at retiring soon, but my pension fund is not enough for me to retire comfortably. That is why I started looking online to find something or a way that I could earn an extra income to fill up my pension fund. I came across this online business that is step-by-step beginner-friendly business that you just plug in and start. You need to learn a few skills and you're up and running, and you only need to put in 2 hours a day. If you feel that you are in the same situation with your pension fund, why don't you leave ready below and I will send you all the information you require to start your online business and top up your pension fund as well.